Hey everyone, I wanted to take a look at the Baba chart and give you a quick update. If you have not seen my Baba videos in the past, go ahead and take a look at them so you can get caught up to where we are at this point. I'll have links for you here. You can click on it and it will open up a new window. So Friday's action was very positive. We had another green day. What I want you guys to notice here are these individual candles and how we have a low price here, and then we had a higher low, another higher low, and this higher low is getting a little bit higher in terms of distance here. So that's something that's positive. Also, we have generally a high, almost the same high, and higher high, and here a higher high. So that's something that's really positive you want to see in the stock. It's going to go back into this area. I think this stock is going to rally on the next rally of the market. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the price projection for Baba, and I'm going to base that off of the inverse head and shoulder. This here is the left shoulder, this here would be the head, and this here would be the right shoulder. And you have the neckline, which will connect from this point to this point over here. And just looking at this pattern here, you can see that the downtrend line, we have the breakout here, we have the new high, and then also we have a riding of the rails, which the pullback to the downtrend line, and you see the close above the downtrend line showing support. And then here is a bounce off of the line, and hopefully we'll have enough momentum to go ahead, break out of this high and continue higher. So this also confirms, this inverse head and shoulder also confirms the chopsticks pattern. So we're starting to see patterns build up, bullish patterns, and nothing negative at this point. So let's go ahead and do our projection, which would be from here to here. And I'm going to go ahead and clone that and move that up here. So the head and shoulder is suggesting we would move into the 93.43 area. So I would take this here where we gap down as an area of interest at 92, and be watching to see how it reacts here. But the price projection from the pattern is 93.30. So hopefully we can get up there before earnings, or even continue to fill the gap before earnings. The price projection is just an area of interest. It does not mean that it will top out there and start rolling over again, although it may do some consolidation. So when we get to this price level, that's what we want to look at. Now, this pattern is not infallible. It gets invalidated if for some reason we break this right shoulder here, meaning the price drops below this right shoulder. But a little bit earlier than that, if we drop below this price, I would also be concerned, because here, and I'm using the same shoulder tool, but really what we're looking at here is a low, higher low, and now another higher low. It's been 3 days since we had this low, so I'm going to say this is a swing low. And so the stock is looking very positive. We're just inches away from breaking into new high territory. And so keep an eye on this stock. If you're in it, hold on to it. If you're not in it, I suggest at this point waiting for it to prove that it can break above this high, setting a buy stop in the 87 area. So that's it for Baba right now. I'll try and keep this updated. I think there's a lot of interest in this stock. If you liked this video, you found it educational or informative, please click on the like button. If you want to follow up with these videos and keep informed when I produce new videos, click on the subscribe button below this video. It'll help me a lot, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much.